So, good afternoon, students. Okay, so you all like food, right? No one here will hate food in this world, right? So, food is the main essential thing for us to live. So, if the food is good, you will eat wholeheartedly, and if the food is sterile, it's not fit for eating, right? And it will cause many diseases, foodborne diseases. Okay, so how will you detect? How will you see if the food is stale or not? Name some common.
Basically, we can identify by the texture of the food. No?
Okay, texture of the food. Any other?
Smell.
Smell, order. Okay, taste, color. Okay,
Surface.
surface. How the surface is there, we can identify by that. So in industry, the food is manufactured in a large quantity. So how will you identify if the food is good or not?
Using sensors.
Sensors. We can use sensors. So what is sensor?
It is a device which is used to identify the irregularities.
Okay, device which is used to identify the irregularities. Okay. So is there any specific type of sensor to detect some spoilages?
Biosensors.
Biosensors. Okay, what is biosensor? Let us take that as a so the empathy part is food stale. Okay, so how will you overcome with that? We will be using biosensors. So what is biosensor?
Biosensor is a device that combines the biological components in the sensor to detect specific pathogens.
So it is used to detect the specific pathogens using a biological
Sensors.
biological components. Okay, so what are the biological components used there?
Pathogens.
Antibodies,
Enzymes,
enzymes, DNAs,
whole cells.
and cells. Okay, so by using the biosensors we can identify the what type of how the food has been non-stale. Okay, so are there types of biosensors?
Yes.
What are the types?
Electrochemical biosensors.
Okay, electrochemical.
Biosensors measures changes in current or voltage.
Okay, it measures by measuring the change in current or voltage, we can identify the type of organisms, the food is sterile or not by counting the number of organisms there. Okay.
Enos and
Enos, eating. Oh, that's a good example. So what is Enos? What is eating?
Enos is a sensor which is used to detect the odors, irregular odors in the
Okay.
front of food.
It will act as such our human nose. We used to smell, and the e-nose also used to smell by observing the changes in the gas. It can be detected if the food is sterile or good. Okay.
E-tongue which is used to by sensory evaluation. It detects using sensory evaluation.
Okay. The chemicals will be reacting the same way. How will you taste the food?
Taste.
Taste buds. So your tongue has taste buds, right? The same way, the e-tongue will identify and detect the chemicals, and from that it will be identifying the taste. So they will be using e-nose and e-tongue. Mostly the e-nose and e-tongue are non-destructive type of sensor. Okay, so it will not be destruct the food, and it will identify the food organisms present in there. Okay, okay. Other type,
Optical biosensors.
optical biosensors by observing the light. Okay. Other, piezoelectric by observing the piezoelectric changes, they can observe. Okay. So are there any limitations or challenges using these biosensors?
Yeah, calibration issues.
Calibration issue, that's a major issue.
Accuracy of the
Biological
sensor.
elements.
Biological elements, what type of biological elements
Antibodies.
using? Okay, antibodies,
Accuracy issues.
accuracy issues,
Yeah, limitation of safe of food.
safer food. We can't give 100% assurance that food passing through every sensor is 100% safe, right?
Yes.
We can't. Even though it is a machine used to detect the food changes, but we can't give assurance that every food passing through the sensor is 100% safe. Okay.
Cost of the advanced biosensors also high.
Yeah.
So those are limitations.
It's a major limitation for using in small scale industries and vendors because the cost is very high. Okay. So, what are the other applications?
Stop supermarket.
Supermarkets.
Kids.
Biosensor will be used in supermarkets, checking meat, dairy,
Okay.
and real time.
Real time monitoring of the food in the supermarkets. Okay.
Foods monitoring plates.
So it is used to monitor the plants. Okay.
Monitoring the products in real time.
Real time monitoring of the product in the
Real time application.
real time applications.
Large storage godowns.
Large storage
Godowns.
godowns, they will be using the biosensors. Okay.
Safety and
Mainly safety measurements, they will be using the biosensors. Okay. So, thank you students, and I hope that you have gained some knowledge on biosensors, and after going to industries, please implement your knowledge which you have gained today in the industries for better improvement. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next video.
Thank you, ma'am.